Hi guys, today we're going to make a variation of the Vietnamese pancakes. So let's get started. Here I have some red cabbage, some bell peppers, some cut carrot, and instead of the rice paper we're going to use lettuce, and I also have some cucumber. First we're going to steam the lettuce leaves, and this is a really healthy and inexpensive recipe. We're using the lettuce instead of the rice cakes to wrap all our veggies in it. We are going to steam this for about 2 to 3 minutes, nothing more than that. Cover it up with a lid and wait for that much time. You'll know they're ready when they shrink in size and they become a little transparent. So let's get started. First I'm going to add some carrot, a few bell peppers. To that, I'm also adding a little bit of cucumber, and finally some red cabbage. You can make whatever variation you like by adding some tofu or any other veggies that you prefer. Then we're going to roll this up very gently. Make sure that it's firm but gentle and not to tear the leaves. Here I have taken the second leaf, and as you can see it is little of a smaller size, so you can make it according to your convenience and also add some dressing inside if that's what you like. Here I'm using only veggies because I want it to be super healthy. I'm repeating the process of adding all the veggies in it. I always make this recipe when I'm craving something super yummy but healthy at the same time. Now we're going to enjoy these yummy Vietnamese pancakes with some burnt garlic sauce on the side. You can have it with peanut sauce if that's what you like. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.